Hi there, it's Bill with Smart Trades, and it's November the 5th, a little bit after the markets have closed, and taking a look, reviewing first of all yesterday's projection down to 1041, make that 1042, excuse me, and pretty much hit it on the nose. The low during the regular session was 1041.50. And we were looking for a B wave drop to again 1042, 41.50 was the low. It got a little lower than that overnight, but we'll basically call that a hit on the projection. And now we're looking for a C wave up. Ideally, that would go up to about 1074, at which point, if breadth and volume continue to fade, we'd be looking for a short up there. And so far, volume is definitely diverging bearishly against the rally. Breadth, however, is pretty good, so we'll have to wait and see. But again, looking for a little bit more rally, and then a potential short if the breadth ratios roll over and the market continues to rally and then roll over around 1074. Here's an update of that count, the complete count, showing 5 waves down. We count that as a wave 1, rally back up A, decline B, and the ideal target around 1074. We don't have to reach 1074, but that would be a nice place for the market to roll over. In a couple of respects, you'd have 2 equal legs up off of the low. Additionally, that's about a 62% retracement of the entire decline. And you can also see here, it's kind of an important swing point. That's the breakdown point for the previous decline, and also previous support for the first couple of the wave 1s down. So 1074, interesting basis the cash, a little lower perhaps on the futures, but a little more rally, and then that divergence, and we'll look to short it if it falls into place. Here's the spiders. The spiders are interesting to look at here for a couple of reasons. The volume is rolling over, not confirming the rally. Also, this is the long-term support channel for the rising wedge, and we are testing it from below right now. So that's a place where we could fail. We don't necessarily have to get all the way back up to that 1074 level. And finally, here's the gold chart. I said yesterday that we might come back to 1080 and then up to 1100. That still looks like a pretty good possibility. I don't think the top is in, but it could be. I'd prefer, like I say, down to 1080 and then up to the 1100 area and then rolling it from there. One thing that's clearly bearish here is the lack of volume, the bearish volume. And that is typical of a developing, first of all, a 5 of 3 and then a 5 of 5, which would be the next rally, if indeed we get it up to that 1100 area. That's about it. Interesting junctures here over the next day or two. So we'll see how it pans out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.